In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get 120 FPS while playing Battlefield REDSEC here on an Xbox. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But while you're in Battlefield 6, what you're going to want to do is actually just R1 over to the settings and just scroll down on this page on the left hand sidebar until you see graphics. Up at the top, you're going to want to see this little like performance preset setting here. Go ahead and select this and just put it on performance. It might disconnect your game temporarily with that HDMI signal, but after switching it to performance, you'll be good to go. Just make sure that your Xbox is plugged into a 120 Hz supported HDMI port. Usually something like HDMI 2.1 ports are labeled as those. Usually HDMI 2.1 ports are labeled as HDMI 3 or HDMI 4. HDMI 1 and 2 often don't support 120 Hz, so just keep that in mind. And also while you're at it, ensure that your TV or monitor does support 120 Hz and 4K or 1080p 120 FPS input. But that is it. You're now going to be running Battlefield REDSEC at a high refresh rate smoothness. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.